Dominion SureSeal's Shake and Shoot is a multi-purpose truck bed liner and industrial coating which provides a tough, durable urethane protective barrier against extreme weather conditions and chips and scratches. Dominion SureSeal's Shake and Shoot can be easily applied with our universal applicator gun, brush, or roller, and has excellent adhesion properties to surfaces like paint, bare metal, wood, fiberglass, concrete, and plastics. Shake and Shoot also remains permanently flexible and protects surfaces against moisture and corrosion. Today, we're going to show you how to apply Dominion SureSeal's Shake and Shoot on a truck with our universal applicator gun, which comes with the kit. This super straightforward DIY project should take around 2 hours. To spray the coating, you'll need a compressor with a consistent PSI of 45 or greater. The air regulator will help you determine how much air is at the gun. For the preparation phase, remove any rust prior to cleaning the surface. Clean the surface area with a solvent. We recommend using Dominion SureSeal's low VOC wax and grease remover or SureSolve. It's important to sand the area well to ensure adhesion of the resin coating. Sand the area with 120 grit sandpaper, or use Dominion SureSeal nylon cup brush with a DA sander or buffer set at about 2000 RPM. Once you're done sanding, clean the area of any dust with a solvent again. Now mask the areas surrounding the bed. Let's get to it. You want to make sure to mix 1 Schutz can of Shake and Shoot at a time. Don't overfill the can because you want to leave room to shake. Shake the resin can vigorously for at least 2 minutes and make sure the contents are uniform. Remove the cap and attach the universal applicator gun into the resin can labeled A. Set the air pressure at 55 to 65 psi and spray onto the surface to be coated. We recommend 10 to 12 mil thickness per coat. The higher the air pressure, the finer the texture. For a heavier texture or orange peel look, lower the air pressure. If a light coat is needed to even texture later, apply once again when you're finished with the first spray coat. If a second coat is needed, wait 30 to 45 minutes before applying. We applied a light duty coat and allowed the product to dry for 2 days. So, as you can see, if you follow these simple steps, you'll have your easy DIY project done in no time.